What's up, guys? My name is Lauren Hardy, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about analysis paralysis and how do you start wholesaling or push through your goals when you have it. So if you've never heard of analysis paralysis, let me tell you a little bit about what it is. Basically, it's when somebody gets in this state where they are over-analyzing the steps that they need to take rather than just taking the steps. So instead of taking action, you're kind of paralyzed in fear and you don't really do what you need to do to actually achieve your goals. I've personally felt this way before, so I do know what it feels like. It is a very, very real feeling, and it does feel like you are paralyzed. But sometimes analysis paralysis just goes way too far. There are some people that get into it and get stuck for way too long of a period. Or there might be something that you, for some reason, you can't seem to get yourself to go to the next level because you're paralyzed with fear or you're paralyzed with over-analyzing what you're gonna do and the steps you're taking. The type of people I've noticed that get analysis paralysis the worst are your more analytical types, your more engineer mindset types. I've definitely coached a lot of students in my coaching program, and a lot of them have had varying levels of analysis paralysis. And I have noticed there seems to be a personality trait that gets it more than others. There are some personalities that are just very sort of risk-taking, go for anything, think about it later type people. They don't get it as much. And then there's people that really think things through. They're very careful. They're cautious personality types. They get it a little bit more. I think that I kind of am more of the first person where I tend to just go full speed once I decide to do something. So I don't get analysis paralysis that bad, but I absolutely know what it feels like and have gotten it before. There are benefits to analysis paralysis. It definitely makes you stop and think about what you're doing. And a lot of our most costly mistakes are because we didn't take time to think. So there is a place for analysis, right? But the disadvantage is when it stops you from taking action for a very, very long, extended amount of time. So in this video, I'm gonna cover some helpful tools to get you right out of analysis paralysis if it's just gone way too long. The first thing is a coaching program. I know that, hey, coming from a coach, I'm a little bit biased, but a coaching program has always helped me, especially a group coaching program where there are other people that are in the same level as I am professionally. I love being with people that are on my level, so I feel like we're in it together. So coaching programs have helped me because when I see somebody succeed in it, then that motivates me that I can then succeed. When I see someone taking action, it motivates me that I can take the same action. So you really do need kind of that helpful competition to push you through analysis paralysis. The next thing is get an experienced partner. So if you partner with somebody, you are going to feel more confident because you feel like you have that person on your side. And sometimes we just need that support. I know for me personally, when I have a partner on my side that I can call or text anytime something's coming up, it really helps me. It kind of alleviates that fear. So get yourself a partner who is more experienced, who is where you want to be, and get where you guys are on a basis where you can call them up when something bad's happened to you. Next thing is get a big why. Why are you doing this? I want you to think about the reason you are doing this and think about it for a very, very long time. I want you to be convinced that if you do not do this, you are going to die. I want you to be obsessed with your why. Are you doing this because you want to be home with your kids more? Are you doing this because you are super broke and you need more money? What is your why? I want this to be a big why that is going to feel like fire underneath you to push you through the analysis paralysis feeling. So those are a couple quick tips, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. I know I've been there. I've been in analysis paralysis. So those are the things that I use to help me get through it. Hopefully you got a lot out of this video. And if you did, make sure you put a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.